Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford Ranger Lariat. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package, the sport appearance package, and the trailer tow package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera. We do get a gripped running board on each side view camera, turn light indicator mirrors, blind spot detection, and moving to the front, we do get front park sensing, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space. We have carpeted interior. We do get, well, let me see if I can get it. There we go. Under seat storage as well, which is pretty handy. We do get cup holders and arm space. Got a little storage cubby here, some outlets for charging, and a 120 volt outlet as well, and plenty of leg room. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, power door mirrors, memory seat for up to 3 drivers. We also do get our lights all on our left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 25 kilometers. We get this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel. It's also heated. Toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our screen here, we do get My View, Trip and Feel, Truck Info, Towing, Navigation, Phone, Audio, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select, parking brake, park assist, traction, auto stop, auto start, your terrain mode. Pretty handy as well. You got your drive modes with 4-wheel drive, plenty cup holders, storage, whatever you want to use there. A little storage here, wireless charging pad with some outlets. Got your center console here with more storage and a 12 volt. You got dual climate up front with hazards, a little storage here and below. And above me we do have our features for our powered rear window opener. We got a garage door transmitter. And looking here, we have our big infotainment system. All your climate controls at the bottom with heated front seats, heated steering wheel, all that jazz. AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. You got your phone controls, your navigation, music in general, such as your media, tow and haul mode, and just all your vehicle settings, which is pretty nice, and a nice 360 view of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LE27406, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.